Welcome to the YouTube channel ffbmd, all at one, and we are learning the topic producing a good research work. Now, according to Feynman, surely you are joking, Mr. Feynman. If we are doing an experiment, we should report everything that we think might make it invalid, not only what we think is right about it. Other causes that could possibly explain our results and things we thought of that we have eliminated by some other experiment, and how they worked to make sure that other fellow can tell they have been eliminated. Further details that could throw doubt on the given interpretation must be included. If such is known, you must do the best you can. If you know anything at all wrong, to explain it. If you make a theory, for example, and advertise it or put it out, then you must also put down all the facts that disagree with it, as well as those that agree with it. The researchers should not be in hurry while preparing the result and conclusion. After preparing them, the researcher may ask the following questions. Are the results and conclusions general? Are the results and conclusions valid only for the particular situation considered in the present work? Are the quantitative and qualitative analysis performed adequate for the conclusion drawn? Is the conclusion too broad considering the analysis performed? Is any evidence which weaken the conclusion omitted? The result and conclusion prepared can be revised based on the answers to the above question. Each and every statement made in the result and conclusion section must be based on evidence obtained from theoretical or experimental analysis. Baseless structures should never be made. While doing research, particularly experiments on, one may land up with an unexpected result or a finding contrary to the underlying theory. Such an observation should not be ignored blindly. It may be pursued to some extent to check whether it yields some useful result. Never yield to the temptation of fabrication of result and interpretation. Plagiarism in the form of copying data or findings from others' report without acknowledging the source will make you in trouble. Don't attempt to report the already reported findings of others as yours. Citing the original sources actually chances the credibility of your work. One should note that the observations, claims and the conclusion drawn in a research report are subjected to criticism by the expert in the concerned field. Therefore, the researchers have to think twice before presenting the outcomes of the research in a journal and in scientific meeting. So with this, I would like to end this topic here. Jai Hanuman Ji, Jai Sri Sitaram, Jai Krishna, Jai Rukmani. जय सत्यभामा, जय द्वारकाधीश, जय बजरंगबली। ओम नमः शिवाय।